guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make the perfect atole de café con chocolate. So if you want to learn how to make it, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alright guys, so we're going to begin by dissolving 3 tablespoons of cornstarch in half a cup of milk. And we're just going to mix it until it's nice and dissolved. Just mix. Alright, so once we have that, we're going to set it to the side so we can start working on our base. We're going to begin by setting our small saucepan over medium heat. To that, we're going to add 2 cups of water, 1 cinnamon stick, and 5 ounces of piloncillo. Now, of course, if you want your atole to be a little bit more sweet, you can always add the whole piloncillo, but for me, 5 ounces is just perfect. We're just going to allow the piloncillo to dissolve. Alright guys, so once the piloncillo has dissolved, we're going to add half a disc of Mexican chocolate. And we're just going to allow that to dissolve as well. Alrighty, and once the chocolate has dissolved, we're going to add 3 cups and a half of milk. And just make sure that you're whisking. So here we're just going to heat up the milk. So give it about 5 minutes or until just before it begins to simmer. Alright guys, so as soon as you begin to see the little bubbles forming on the wall of the pot, our milk is ready. So here we're going to be adding 2 tablespoons of coffee. Of course, if you want your atole to be stronger, you can always add more. Now we're just going to mix it in. And once that's mixed, we can add our cornstarch mixture. Just make sure that you're whisking as you're pouring. And here you can also remove the cinnamon stick if you like. And we're just going to be mixing until it begins to thicken. Alright guys, and after a few minutes, our atole should have thickened. And here is about to come to a simmer. So let me show you. It should be nice and thick, just like that. So here we're just going to turn it off and add our 2 teaspoons of Mexican vanilla blend. Just mix it in. And just like that, we can now get ready to serve our delicious atole de café con chocolate. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that I hope you give this recipe a try. This atolito is seriously perfect for this time of year, especially now that it's getting cold. I hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. Cheers and enjoy. So delicious. You could taste the coffee, the chocolate, the piloncillo. It's just a perfect combination of both worlds. I truly hope you enjoyed this recipe, and as always, if you did, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, and if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. See you guys on the next one.